the Airbus A380. Today, we'll see these magnificent machines put to the test in a compilation of dramatic crosswind landings and challenging weather conditions. First up, we head to Dusseldorf, Germany, where a determined Emirates A380 pilot battles strong crosswinds and heavy rain during a storm. Now, let's shift gears to London Heathrow. A seemingly routine landing for a Singapore Airlines A380 takes a dramatic turn with a tire burst upon touchdown. But even after a go-around, sometimes another attempt is necessary. Watch a stunning display of pilot skill as an Emirates A380 executes a flawless crosswind landing after a previous approach wasn't ideal. Brace yourselves. Buckle up for an Etihad A380 battling a ferocious storm. See how the pilot maneuvers this massive aircraft through incredible crosswinds with a near sideways landing.
Oh, no. Has he got it? He's going to go around. Is he going to go around? Oh my God, look at it. Wow.
Back at Heathrow, a British Airways A380 pilot makes a critical decision during landing. Witness a heart-pounding go-around after a challenging touchdown.
Wow. That was some go around.
These are just a few examples of the remarkable skill and split-second decisions required to pilot an A380 in challenging conditions. Thank you for watching.